Okay, let's go ahead and make this black and white. We are going to start with a gradient map layer, and you're going to double click on this to change it to black and white. Hit OK. Then I want to add a couple curves layers. So the first one, I'm going to pull up the midtones, pull down the shadows, and then I do want to add some matte, so you're going to go to this very bottom and pull up just to right about there. And then I want to add another curves layer. This time I want to pull up the midtones again, and I'm going to pull the highlights up just a tiny bit, not quite that much, and pull the shadows down to right about there. And then I'm going to add one more curves layer. This time I want to darken the background behind them, so I'm just going to pull down the shadows just to right about there. Then on that layer mask, with a soft black brush at 100%, I am going to go over them and just brush that off. And then at 10%, I'm just going to try to blend that out a little bit better. There we go, that's it. Save it. And then let's work on another